Utility work is no desk job, so taking your gloves off to get the job done isn't working. Delivery is no desk job, so old technology with a short battery life isn't working. Retail is no desk job, so juggling multiple devices while trying to help a customer isn't working. If your workforce doesn't work at a desk, give them the technology that works where they do. The Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. It's the field-ready phone that empowers your frontline team with more capabilities like integrated mobile point of sale, push-to-talk communications, and scanning. It's built rugged with a long-lasting replaceable battery in one sleek package. No desk required. The Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. This is working.
Programming the physical buttons on your XCover Pro is quick and easy. This lets you efficiently access an application with a single press, even while wearing gloves. To get started, first pull down the notification bar and open the Settings menu. Now, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. At the top, select the key you want to program. You'll now see a list of apps you can activate with that key. You can program different actions for a quick press and a press and hold. Once the keys are programmed, you can launch apps in a flash. Whether you want to quickly access push-to-talk communications, turn on the flashlight, or chat with a colleague, programming keys is a smart shortcut. You can even program the side key, which is the phone's power button, to launch an app with a quick double click. The Galaxy XCover Pro features enhanced touch, boosting your screen's touch sensitivity so you can use it easily with gloves. To take advantage of this feature, first open Settings. Select Display. Then scroll down to Touch Sensitivity. Now that you've turned on Enhanced Touch, you can use your phone more easily while wearing various types of gloves. Whether you're wearing standard landscaping gloves, nitrile medical gloves, or winter fleece gloves.
The app is just one way Microsoft Teams transforms what it means to work together, bringing people and information into one shared, secure workspace. And now, the Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro makes accessing walkie-talkie even easier. The hotkey button can be programmed to activate walkie-talkie, instantly connecting workers to anyone in their channel, from across the room to around the world. With the confidence of Samsung Knox and Microsoft Enterprise-grade cloud security, you can talk securely and with no cross-chatter, even in low bandwidth. All on a device with military-grade design that's resistant to water, dust, and debris. The XCover Pro is up to any task with a removable battery that offers long-lasting power. It's a whole new way for employees to communicate and collaborate at their fingertips.